guys, Zig-Zach Gamer here, and I'm back with part 2 of my YouTube channel tutorial for making thumbnails. In the first video, we quickly made a basic rendering of our Minecraft character. In this video, we're going to make the text for the thumbnail. Remember the video title is Creating a Faction 101. First, we head over to flamingtext.com. Here you can check out over 800 different styles of text. You can look through all the different styles by using the page and navigation right here. We're looking for something big and bold. This one will work, so right click on it and a new page will load. On this page, hit the edit logo button and another page will load. This is where we enter our text and have some options to change the format slightly. You type in the text here. In our case, this will say Creating a Faction 101. I can break it into 2 or more lines using the Enter key. Sometimes I also make each word separately, allow as much flexibility as possible when I bring it into the thumbnail. That is, in fact, what we'll do here. I always move the font size up to 199, just below premium. This keeps the image as crisp as possible when it gets imported into the thumbnail. Clicking on the logo tab lets me alter the color and border. The shadow tab lets you add shadow to the text. You'll want to play around with this to make the wording look the way you want it. The most important step is to hit the background tab and select transparent. This is the most important step, so I'll say it again. Don't forget to go to the background tab and make the image transparent. Once you've made the image transparent, click the next button on this page, ignore all the buttons, and just right click the wording. Go to Save Image As. Be sure to save it in the same place as your Minecraft skin render from the last video so you can easily find it again. I'm going to quickly make the rest of the wording for the thumbnail using the same process. I hope you'll join me in the third and final part of this tutorial series as we put all the elements together. Thanks for watching. Zig-Zach Gamer signing out. Goodbye.